Yo, we are back on live now. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. So yes, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. Also, I do need to fix this camera though. 1 second here. Gotta fix this. All right. Yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything today. Obviously, I feel like today was a little bit more smoother for sure. But yeah, 1 second. Let's tell the team members we're on live. And yeah, I do want to go over pretty much everything. So, AMD had a very beautiful scalp there. Do want to see if we can get a nice candle close there too as well. Hold on. 1 second here. So yeah, I'm gonna pull up the other live stream, and then I'm gonna tell the team members we're on live. So 1 second here. So yeah, pretty much just getting started on a little bit earlier than usual. So yeah, feeling good today. All right, cool. Just pulled that up. Let's see. So live now, it's everyone. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back in. All right, so obviously AVGO, man, finally did its thing, bro. Like, I will say, this one, I'm glad we ended up getting that final move. Obviously, we went up to that 308 area. I'm not in this play anymore. If we can continue, though, there is a little bit more empty space. So yeah, this was a 2-day hold. So obviously, the swing trades will definitely be a lot longer for sure. First day we were pretty much playing around. We ended up finally getting that final push there. So yeah, beautiful move there. But yeah, I do want to go over the cues. I want to go over pretty much everything today. And honestly, I did miss the cues today. So what you can see, or what I can see personally, is yes, we did have a decent move here at the morning time. Obviously, we hit that first in the final. From what I can see, even if we do, get a nice candle body closure above, we potentially could still finish this move. But for me, at least, I think I would end up skipping that, just because not the cleanest setup that I like there. Yo, Leah, what's up? Good to see you. Really appreciate you tuning in. All right, so yeah, we'll keep going. Yo, thanks for the gifts. Really appreciate it. So AVGO did well. AMD obviously ended up trimming. My runners did get stopped out, but yeah, this trade ended up working out. Honestly, I will retry this if we can. This time I'll wait for this candle body closure above. But yeah, this morning it ended up going up crazy. So we got very close to that first TP. I ended up trimming there, and then yeah, we ended up dropping there. So I do have my alerts still there. Yo, thanks, Leah. Really appreciate it. All right, so AMD also. Let's look at Tesla. Do want to see like a little decent move. Oh wow, this looks good. Yeah, this looks decent here. Can you go over Starbucks' pumpkin spice? Yeah, we'll go over S-Bucks. Oh, that looks really good actually. Hold on. Possible Tesla. That actually really doesn't look bad. Tesla. All right, so yeah, what I can see here personally is, let's see. What about NU? Okay, yeah, we can go over NU, no worries. So NU also, let's see, Starbucks. Yeah, we'll go over all those trades there. I will keep an eye out on this one. So yeah, as you can see, we do have this empty space. under us. That looks good. What, 30 minutes? 30-minute time frame. If we could go to down and break under that 344, that looks really good. So yeah, I'll definitely keep an eye on that. Obviously we ended up flushing. Yeah, we get that nice little push. It looks really good. All right, so yeah, let's keep going here. Let's see. So what? Yeah, if that play ends up happening, I definitely will be there. So so NU also will go over what? S-Bucks. All right. UPSC did amazing, but didn't get that. NVO. All right, cool. All right, so NU, let's take a look. Honestly, let's go to a higher time frame. And then, yeah, I do want to end up breaking this down. Let's see. 24-hour time frame. Let's see. So 24-hour. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, there is a nice little move here. So yes, I get it. I ended up missing this one, which is perfectly fine. There was that empty space here. What I can see is that we had some sort of box right here. So I'm using points of contact too as well. So top all there. Yeah, it looks like we ended up pretty much, or at least for me, I missed that one. So what I can see is we ended up getting that candle body close above. Yeah, we ended up. So yeah, for me at least, I would want to see if we could potentially hit that 520 area. And then if we could hit that final, that 1619. Doesn't look too bad. Yo, Hoove, what's up, bro? Yo, Jim, what's up? Good to see you guys and gals. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream once again. So that's on NU, Starbucks. Honestly, crazy cat lady. You know, I get it. I've been waiting on this move here for a while. I still like it. I still will end up, you know, participating there if we can get that. As for right now, though, so what? Let's see. I think I did this on a 2-hour. Hold on, sorry, not that. So yeah, 2-hour chart. Yeah, we end up. We're still inside of, you know, consolidation. So right now, yes, we're in consolidation. I don't want to do anything right now except for just to wait. What looks good to me is we do have this nice Potter box above us. I do want to see that 89 break for that potential upside. So yeah, it looks really good. So that's what I'm seeing on S-Bucks. Obviously, yes, I get it. Little box there. That's also what I'm seeing here. So, but yeah, I do like that upside a little bit more. This is not really anything too crazy from what I can see. So that is on S-Bucks. So we'll keep going. Amazon. Dang, those Amazon calls went crazy. Hold on one second. UUU. So we did NU. What's up, Hoove? So what? ORCL. Okay, cool. Tesla. I'm keeping an eye on that. So if we can get that out, definitely take it. But yes, give me 1 second, guys. Gonna give me some water. 1 second here. I'll be right back. 1 second here. Yo, what's up, everyone? Oh yeah, we're here. Hold Hold on, hold on. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. But we're very close. What I'm seeing here is that we do have empty space below us, which doesn't look bad. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. $344. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. So yeah, what I can see here is, yes, we do have what, empty space under us. And if we can get this continuation, I do want to see if we can get under this box here. So yes, we do have this nice little Potter box that needs to be broken here. And yeah, if we can get that nice little break, closure under 2, that looks really decent. So right now, yeah, sellers are pretty much in control of this area. So yeah, we'll see. Let's see. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Yeah, that doesn't look terrible. Yo, Andrew, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Might have to grab some starters. We'll have to see. So, what, 2 minutes left on that 5-minute 2 as well. So, we're pretty much right there. 5-minute chart. Okay, so. Oh, yeah, that looks really good. Hold on 1 second here. So, what? 2 minutes, 30 seconds on there. Honestly, doesn't look too bad. We'll have to see. All right, so we could not get that close under yet. It's not even on that 5-minute. We'll see if we can potentially get this nice break. So this is on the 1 hour. So what? That's 1 hour chart. Obviously, yes, we do have this empty space. That looks good. Originally, I did have this box here for this 4 hour. So this is something that doesn't look terrible either. But I'm just taking it step by step here. What I can see, dang, yeah, that looks really good. So what hold on 1 second. And I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade, so yes, please do your own research. So right here, this is where buyers have control. So this little place that we're seeing, this is where buyers have control. So if we can't even get a candle closure, we'll have to see. So 5-minute, we couldn't even close there yet. So honestly, if it does hold, let's just say if it does want to continue, calls wouldn't be terrible, but we'll have to see. I do want to get that break though. What, 20 minutes left for that valid? I feel like it could happen. It may just take some time once we do end up getting that break. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Obviously, you can see, you know, what we did today. AVGO. You can see AMD. I was waiting on that. Yeah, only my lottos didn't work, but those are just lottos. So yeah, you can see before to after. Obviously, AMD did very well. So we'll see. So yeah, buyers taking control right here. What I want to see. So there's times where if buyers do gain control, I may just try calls until it shows me otherwise. And as you can see, what I said, buyers ended up gaining control here. We couldn't even break it down on the 5 minute. So, do want to see if we can potentially get a nice break under there with that nice close. So it doesn't look bad. So maybe I'll have to keep another alert on this. But yeah, buyers ended up taking that control. So we're right at this cost basis area. So yeah, let's see if we can get this nice. And you know, the way the box works, it's like, and yes, you all have to do your research. But yes, you know, buyers gain control, we push price up. Sellers gain control, we push price down. As you can see, those buyers ended up gaining those control. But I still want this breakdown. We'll have to see how that plays out. We shall see, we shall see. So yeah, we're rejecting this cost-based area right now. So that's a good sign. But yeah, it's gonna take some time. So yeah, I'll have my alert set so we can just look at the other stocks. But I will keep that up. Is AMD showing another entry? Dang, AVGO went wild. And obviously, you know, it was a very tough hold for sure. You can see the before there, also that after here. Obviously, I'm already out of this play, but yeah, you can see pretty much what happened today, what I was looking for, what I was looking at, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's keep on going. I'll keep going to the other stocks, but I will be keeping an eye on Tesla too. So AMD, I'm keeping an eye out on there. LMT also PLTR. Yep, we'll go over that too. Some UUU. Okay. So yeah, we gotta go over these trades too. Let's see. Oh, there is something that doesn't look too bad. So what looks good to me is this, and same exact thing. Yo, Leah, what's up? So Amazon and Google, yeah, we'll go over those. So 1 second here. We do have what? Empty space under us. So see a clear move up, clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this downside here. As you can see, we do have nice Potter box, nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. So yes, right under this, I would look for the next position or the next resistance, sorry. And I don't see any resistance down to that red candle. Hold on, I will be keeping an eye on Tesla too. And also AMD. Alright, but anyways, yes, we have exactly what I'm targeting. So I'm targeting that empty space. And this is what, on the 4 hour, so this could take a little bit of time, of course, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing on those 4 U's. So just like, you know, the swing trades, they may take 1 day or they could take a couple days. Obviously AMD was something very, very quick, nothing crazy at all. But yeah, we'll keep going though. All right, so AMD, we did that. LMT, we'll go over all these trades here. All right, so my bad, how'd I get rid of that song there? All right, so let's see. LMT. Let's try it on the weekly chart first. All right, so weekly chart, there is something here that I can see that we could potentially go up into. But what I can see here is, and it looks like, ooh, actually, yeah, that doesn't look bad. So maybe on a lower time frame, as you can see, yes, we do have top wall, bottom wall there. right under this bottom wall, we do have empty space. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this downside here. It looks like, yeah, we already, are pretty much breaking underneath this wall here. You can see that first TP will be the imbalance, so this is where price can typically end up rejecting. So yeah, it doesn't look terrible there. Especially if we can get that nice little watch to this downside there. Alright, so that is on LMT. I do want to see where Tesla is. So Tesla pretty much trying to find its way back down, so we'll see. Alright. So Amazon, I will be honest, yes, I had this one pretty much set. I was ready for this. But you can see, it ended up happening. I'm not in this play. Yes, what do we have here? Clear move down, no consolidation. That's what I typically like, to the upside. Because we had a nice, Potter box here. And, yeah, we went up. We ended up targeting, twice from what I can see there. But, on the bright side, there is more of a good move here once we do want to get it. So we do have entry, exit, middle of the move. We do have exactly what we want. So yes, entry, exit. The middle of this move is the imbalance, and yeah, it looks really good. Not bad at all. But yeah, as you can see, that first TP already hit. So for me, there's nothing to do. Just gonna wait and see how everything plays out. So we did that. Looks like LMT may be trying there. All right, so we'll go over the Qs as well. Actually, AMD looking pretty nice too. And also Google. Hold on. I did see that too as well. Hold on. We'll go to Class C. All right, so yeah, so I was in AMD. So yeah, I already ended up trimming on AMD. So I wasn't even looking at the Qs. Just because I knew, yeah, we had still that empty space. I mean, we still have it. We still could potentially get it if we get that nice closure over. Since I already tried it and took profits on it, I will wait for that body count of closure on that wall. So we'll have to see. Dang, that looks. We'll have to see. So QQQ. Yeah, what I can see here, we do have this empty space above us. So I think I did this on a 1 hour chart, if I'm not mistaken. So 1 hour, we ended up breaking above. We actually touched it first. And then, yeah, we ended up breaking above again. Going straight into this empty space here. So if we do end up finishing. So let's see, hold on. Let's get off that 4 hour. So if we do end up finishing, I do want to see if we can touch that 576 area, which honestly looks really good. Not too bad. I mean, I get it. Yeah, that first TP, that first imbalance already pretty much hit. For me at least, if we can get that final, that looks good. For something completely new though, yo, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So I see that. I'm also seeing that there is another box here. I think that move can still end up happening though, which doesn't look too bad. But yeah, as you can see, another box there, top wall, bottom wall here. That's the next little level that I'm seeing for the Qs. And honestly, it looks good. Looks great, but just gonna have to wait for that. But yeah, as you can see, yeah, we ended up going up twice, and I could have snagged it, but I did end up having the AMD, and also AVGO did really good today too as well. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. Yo, what's up, guys and gals? Really appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. Really appreciate it. What, Apple? Okay, yeah, we'll go over Apple too. Where's Tesla at too? All right, Tesla's getting close. AMD looking really good too. Maybe I'll try AMD if we get that close above. I'm not gonna try any more starters for this. So yeah, we'll see. All right, so Q's 576. That will be my next little floor there. All right, Apple. Yeah, we'll take a look there. Also, we got to go over Google. So yeah, Google, and then so Amazon went crazy. I think the Q's might end up going there though. AMD getting close. All right. It looks very strong though. AMD looks really good too. All right, yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye out on those. But yeah, we'll go over all these other trades. So obviously you can see what we did, today. Obviously, yeah, the lottos just didn't work, and obviously, those are just lottos. And yeah, if the trade works, cool. If the trade doesn't work, that's fine. I think I had to get tapped out of like 2 swings. I think it was like 2 to 3 swings or something. But you can see when they do work out what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at. And hold on, one of my alerts just crossed. Hold on. Hold on, give me a second. Okay. So, I do want this empty space below us, which looks good. So, right now, we're still at buyer's control. So, buyers still have control of this floor here. So, I do want to see if we can potentially get this moved down. Hold on one second here. I do want to look at IWM. I know we have puts here too. Oh, that looks good. All right, I got my eyes on both of these. What, 7 minutes left too? Julio, that doesn't look bad, I will say. Hold on, I gotta pull up these cons really quickly for the IWMs. I really do want Tesla though, man. If it'll allow it, I like Tesla. But we'll see. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade. So yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything. What, 6 minutes left too as well. All right, so hold on, I'm pulling up both right now. Yeah, those look good. Alright. Alright, QQ, nothing there yet. IWM, I feel like if it does close, I've seen it a lot. I feel like, at least for this one, we may end up retesting this 235 area. That's what I'm seeing. I mean, or we could just end up, targeting to that empty space here. I do want to see the 234s. And I get it, not the craziest move, of course, nothing, too wild, but yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Tesla, I want you. QQQ looks like it might make that move too. Yeah, the Qs are going. And yeah, you can see, how we pretty much call out plays inside the Discord. Obviously, yeah, I have to get tapped out a few times, which is fine. But I'm looking for that decent move. I get it, you know, AMD was more of a scalp, even though we were very close to that first. Ended up trimming there. Actually, you can see what we did yesterday. Befores and afters. Yesterday, I think, the only real swing that didn't work was PLTR. Oh, that looks beautiful. I think we may end up just trimming down. So nothing on Tesla. I do want to see if we can close and retest this 235 too. Yo, Queese, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. What, 4 minutes too? Okay. So Tesla probably won't be getting that right now. Qs look like we're gonna hit that 576.41. Hold on 1 second here. TTD and also. So for Apple, I will say we ended up breaking above what my top wall here. If we can go and finish, I do want to see if we can hit that 231. But yeah, we already hit that imbalance though, from what I can see. So that's on a little 24-hour chart. I know it looks a little bit more weird. I think we did that on 4-hour actually. So that's what I'm seeing. But we're sitting right above that imbalance area. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for IWM. I do want to see if we can get some sort of retest. Tesla, nothing there. AMD, where are we at too? Hold on, give me a second here. All right, AMD, close. We'll see. Hold on 1 second. I want to change this. All right, so I will say TTD. This is something that I am waiting for. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We did it on a 4-hour, so I do like a 4-hour a lot better than a 24-hour. All right, so IWM 2 minutes left. So as you can see, yes. Yeah, Leah, we've been waiting forever. So I mean, it looks good, it looks decent. Do want to see if we can potentially get this nice break above. End of day looks crazy. I mean, yeah, clear move down, no consolidation. That's what I do like to this upside. So as of right now, do I want to get into this? Absolutely not. I mean, I definitely could have off that imbalance range, but yeah, I do want to see end of day how that will bring. All right, so I don't think IWM will get it. Let's see. Yeah, Qs, if we can continue, my final will be that 576.41. That's what I'm seeing. But no, I will be honest. No, I'm not in this one. I was in a couple other ones, so I could have found that reentry, but it's all good. So yeah, that first CP did end up hitting. So if we do, and yeah, that's only if we end up rejecting, I can see us reject under that 575 area. All right, so we'll see. Hold on. Of course I'm waiting for this too. So yeah, I wanted this morning or a little bit earlier. Obviously, we are pretty much above 2. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Oh, we did have hold on. We did have a nice little close above. Right now, we should either retest this top wall here. So, I need to see some sort of retest here. But yeah, I did see we closed just above, just by a bit. Just by a bit. So yeah, we'll have to see right now. But if it goes back into this box here, then, hold on. I'm going to pull up these cons really quickly. Because there's a lot of times where we do end up breaking above. And then we end up retesting. So if we retest, cool. I'll try it. But if we don't, then yeah, I'm not going to get in. So same thing, IWM, we need to retest here. Tesla, nothing yet. CRWV, let's see. Let's see the 110s. 108s, 106. And no, I'm not into any of these trades. So no, I'm not in this trade. At least not yet. we'll see. So yeah, if we can't somehow get that retest, yeah, I'll leave that alone. It looks really good. Even possible end of day. It doesn't look bad. So we'll see. So yeah, right now, pretty much same thing. We did end up getting that nice break, right? But yeah, we didn't end up getting that retest yet. So we'll have to see. So right now, that's what I'm looking at. Still empty space. Possibly could reject off this cost basis area. Let's see. Still doesn't look bad if we can get it, but we'll have to see. So, Beam, yeah, I got you. So while those are doing what they're doing, yeah, we'll take a look at some other trades here. So yeah, no worries at all. So as of right now, let's take a look. So Beam. So yeah, I will just be keeping an eye on these. See if we can potentially get under this level there. CRWV waiting. Okay, so I do see, yeah, that we do have empty space above us. Clear as day. So I get it. That's way above us there. There is a smaller move here that doesn't look too bad. So yes, each day on Discord, same exact trades. Obviously, yes, we do have empty space, which is currently above us here. I do see that we did end up reclaiming this floor. Want to see if we can get that nice break end of day into this empty space. So, see entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So let's see. Yeah, not bad, not bad. So yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, I will wait for that 24-hour closure if we can get it. So, dang, Amazon is still running. That is crazy. Dang, yeah, Amazon's going wild right now. Oh, wait. Hold on. Alright, so IWM nothing, CRWV nothing, Tesla almost. I will be completely honest. I'm gonna go ahead and just get rid of this. I will say, maybe I'll write this down. Nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here. What looks decent is we do have this empty space which is above us, so Clear move down, no consolidation. That looks honestly pretty well. That's a 4-hour chart too. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. I may end up trying that if we can get it. We'll have to see. So yeah, right now we are pretty much inside of this box here. I do want to see if we can get that nice break above into that empty space, which honestly looks really good. All right, so that is on AMZN. And yes, give me one more time, guys. I'll be right back. Need some more water. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, honestly, you can just join the free chat, see how you like it. Link is in the bio. We do have the VIP, but honestly, yeah, just join the free chat, see how you like it as well. But yes, 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. All right, so yeah, we'll go over pretty much everything as of right now. 1 second here. Let's see. All right, so AMD, honestly, Amazon looks great. Maybe I'll definitely keep an eye on there. Tesla looking decent. Oh, IWM. Can we actually stay down though? I want Tesla too. CRWV. Not freaking with it. So we did end up retesting. All we would need to do is just stay below. I do want Tesla too as well though. Tesla looks really, really good. So I'm gonna keep an eye on Tesla. So what, IWM? We go down to a lower time frame. Break this down. 5 minutes left too. Let's see. So it's trying. It wants to. But if it does, I feel like it's going to be something that takes a long time. Or not a long time, but I feel like it could take It's a beautiful time there. Tesla, I will say I do like trading Tesla just because those moves are a lot faster for sure, and when it does hit its targets, it'll go, you know, straight to it for sure, for the most part. Let's see. And yeah, sorry for this bad music. I know it's terrible. CRWV. I do want these. Oh, wow. That looks good too. So yeah, there are a few good ones that I am currently eyeing, that I am, you know, currently seeing. Amazon also looks good. Hold on. I would definitely take Amazon. That's for sure. Let me look at these cons real quick. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trade. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. So yes, you all have to do your own research. All that I'm seeing is, yes, we do have empty space above us. I may just wait for that 4-hour candle closure though. Because I do want to see if I can swing it. So what, 235s? 235s. Yeah, 235s don't look terrible. So yeah, what I'm seeing is, yes, we do have this empty space, that which is above us. If we can potentially continue and also get a, you know, this nice candle closure, it looks good. So same thing, just like all of our other trades. AVGO. So see the before here, also that aftermath there, and that literally just hit this morning. AMD got in for a nice little scalp, and then my runners did get stopped out. So I wanted that full TP, but it's all good. We had a nice, really decent move there. You can see how we pretty much called out setups, called out trades, told the team members, watch out for AMD. But yeah, beautiful move there. Beautiful move. So, dang, Amazon literally might go. $232s. Might have to take some 235s. Dang, yeah, that looks really good, especially for a nice little swing. It doesn't look bad. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades. So please do your own research. Pretty nice. I feel like, yeah, if it does end up happening, it would take a little bit of time. You know, it doesn't look bad. I get it. Yes, there was already another move here to this downside. So yeah, we had what? Clear move up, no consolidation. Or clear move down there. Ended up missing that. But yeah, if we can get this nice little move. How much of a move is that? Let's see. 235 and then up 238. So yeah, pretty decent, not bad. So let's see. Tesla looks really good. CRWV, nothing. So yeah, I might just wait for that candle closure. If it leaves, it's cool. I do want to see if I can swing it though. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. FAAS. All right, yeah, so no worries. Yeah, so right now, maybe on a weekly chart we can break this down. Oh, it's okay. So what I see here, same exact thing. So inside our Discord, same exact plays. We don't change anything. And yeah, if the play works, cool. If I have to get stopped out, that's perfectly fine. You can easily see, yes, we do have a nice top all there, bottom all here. And right above us, so yes, We are inside of consolidation right now. So I do want to see if we can break outside of consolidation, touching that TP. Hold on, let's change that too. So yeah, we do have that empty space above us, which honestly looks good. Right now, we are just not even anywhere close to that entry. So I definitely won't do anything there except for just to wait. So that's what I'm seeing. Yo, Shed, what's up, bro? Good luck for your trade. Yeah, thank you so much, bro. Yeah, I'm not into any new trades right now. Obviously, you know, I do like Amazon, but for me at least, I'm just going to wait for that confirmation. I could try some starters if I wanted to, but no, I don't really want to. Do want to see if we can get some type of confirmation here. Even though it looks beautiful. But yeah, if we end up going back into this box here, and if we don't get this close, or if we're under this box end of day, yeah, I'm not going to touch it. But yeah, if we can stay above this wall here, I'll definitely give it a little swing there. Alright, so that's just what I'm seeing. Bless me, my bad, guys. All right. So yeah, we'll keep on going here. One second. Honestly, everyone knows about it, but who cares? Maybe I'll send this in the free chat. 1 second here. That's the Amazon chart, though. That's what I'm seeing, and you know, it looks good, looks decent. Do want to see if we get that close. Where's Tesla at? So Tesla's still playing around. AMD still playing around too as well. Where's the video at? Yeah, that does look really, really good. So yeah, I feel like, you know, Amazon does look the best out of it, pretty much all those other trades. So Google, we'll take a look here as well. Dang, Google is still running. That is crazy. I'm trying to rejoin your server and I'm having the hardest time figuring it out. So yeah, it should, so everything is in the bio, the free chat and the VIP. So yeah, that link should work. If it doesn't, yeah, just give me a DM. Whether it's, you know, for the free link or for the VIP. Yeah, I got you, no worries. But yeah, it should work though. If not, no worries. Dang. I'm keeping that up. Okay, Q's broke out, did it? Oh, we touched that TP. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I got in A and B. I didn't get into this one though. All right, so that is on the Q's. Oh yeah, Q's looking pretty good. Not bad at all. And RDDT. All right, yeah, perfect. Amazon might go. I don't see the link. So yeah, John. So yeah, it is that WAP link. So once you do, you know, click that bio, you'll see it. And it'll say that WAP link. So that's how you get into the Discord. I was in the market for 30 minutes and made, dude, fire, man, keep up the great work. So yeah, today, after NVIDIA earnings, I felt like it was a little bit, easier. Yeah, 2 of my plays ended up working. Obviously, my lottos didn't work, but those are just lotto plays. But yeah, my, those other entries did great. And honestly, I'm still looking at a few if we can end up getting it. So, doesn't look too bad. So we'll have to see. Ooh, Tesla looks really good. Dang, those Tesla puts look crazy. Yeah, potentially it could be something decent here. Still watching. So Amazon, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that. Tesla, we'll have to see if we can get some sort of strength. Yo, Jake, what's up, bro? Honestly, it looks good. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades, any positions. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. But yeah, what I can see is, yeah, if we can get that nice break, it looks good. So we're still... Yes, sir. Always do your own research. Yeah. So even if you do join the free Discord or the VIP, just make sure do your own research, of course. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, right here, what I circled, we do have what? Buyer's control. So I want buyer's control to get out of here. And then possibly if we can get that nice little flush, looks good. So yeah, we'll have to see if that ends up toying here. It looks really good, especially if we get some sort of close, which looks great. I feel like if it happens, it'll happen soon. Hold on. That's if it wants to continue. Tesla. So what, 36 minutes for that 1 hour. For that 30 minute. Ooh, 6 minutes for that 30 minute. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, we'll have to see. Obviously, buyer's control end up taking this, and yes, this is where price could potentially push back up as we just did. So yeah, buyers are currently taking control, so I do want to see if we can potentially stay above, or stay below, sorry, and get that nice candle closure into that empty space. So each day in my Discord, that's exactly what I'm targeting. You can see I'm targeting the empty space. So clear move down, no consolidation. You see what we did there. Also AMD, obviously this was a quicker scalp. We ended up going taking that this morning and ended up doing really well on it. So yeah, what I'm looking for, same thing. Do want to see if we can stay below here. So yeah, it looks really good. Maybe I'll try some lottos if we can get a nice low close. So yeah, we shall see, we shall see. So yeah, it looks really good. Not bad, not bad. So not bad at all. So yeah, those are the ones that I'm looking for, looking at. Obviously, Amazon, still going to wait on that. We're underneath that wall. But yeah, guys, gals, I will be getting off now. Thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. Really appreciate it. I will be here, the last 2 hours for that end of day live to find some more swings. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. If you do want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat or the VIP. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. I'll be on in the next live, or I'll be in the Discord. Have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon in Jesus' name, amen.